Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find placements and keywords with TubeSift, which is a YouTube ads tool. This video guide will help you use TubeSift more effectively, thus helping you target better and have more profitable results with your ad campaigns. If you watch till the end, you'll be able to create much better placement targeting lists so you can get better results with your YouTube ads. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to smash that like button and the subscribe button so the algorithm can show the channel some love. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, we've logged inside TubeSift and I'm going to show you how to use TubeSift. So the first thing you really want to understand here is that TubeSift has a bunch of features here, right? So the first thing is this is the video search. You can look for video placements here. You have the channel search, so you can actually find channels. You have keyword ideas, so you can actually get ideas for keywords to target with YouTube ads keyword targeting. So you have the banner studio, and then you have this basically YouTube video infos where you can get the metadata and a bunch of information about any video you want. And then you have this TubeSift bookmarker, right? So whenever you see a video ad out there in the wild, you can use this tool to bookmark your ads into TubeSift and be able to see them later. But the main thing I want to focus on is how to use TubeSift to find placements and keywords. So the first way you do it is you can find placements by keyword. So let's say if you want to target videos related to fitness, right? Or let's say keto, so keto diet, right? And then you can put in 300 search results and TubeSift will go out and find you videos that are related to that. And the cool thing is it'll only find you monetized videos. So the videos that actually enable ads on it. So that way, you're just targeting videos that actually have ads enabled. So as you can see here, it will basically scroll through. It's pretty decently fast. Usually what we do is we open a bunch of these tabs and then create multiple lists. I personally prefer to do bigger lists of 200 to 300 because those will actually spend. While if you're doing a placement list of like 10, a lot of times they really don't spend that much. The cool part about this is you can go through this and you can see that results are quite accurate. Every single of these videos is about keto diets. And then what you can do is you can add to list here, create a new list called keto diet, and you will essentially have a list right here in the placement list section right over here. You can grab the links in here, basically just copy the links out of there. And let's say if you're targeting placements, you can go into your campaign, go to placements right here. All you do is press this button right here, select your ad group, go to enter for multiple placements, paste, and there you go. Now you can target 46 videos. So that's how you use that search, right? So that's really useful because you're essentially able to put any keyword in and use that. Now, another one that's really great is by relation to videos. So this is really good if you, let's say you have a placement that you know is performing well of a certain video and you want to find videos that are similar to it. So let's just grab a random video. If we go in here and let's say we want to target videos similar to this, I actually agree 100% with that statement. So anyways, let's not get into crypto. You put that video in here and now you'll find a bunch of videos that are related. So obviously, since the video is from Alex Hormozi's channel, you're gonna get a lot of Alex Hormozi videos. Now, if you do 300 results, you're gonna get more than that, but initially the videos are gonna be related to that. Now, another great search option is by channel. So if you wanna just grab all the videos from Alex Hormozi's channel, so we could actually grab this URL of this channel, go in here, click search, and you'll actually get all the videos from that channel. Now, the reason for this is sometimes you'll enter the channel URLs. So you could go in here and what you can do is you can target this whole YouTube channel. The problem is sometimes when you just target the whole channel as a URL, the ads don't deliver. I don't know what that is. So what you can do in here is you can actually enter that in here. And if you put in 300, you'll usually be able to grab all the videos in that channel and be able to target them individually, which somehow gets the ads to deliver. So that's like a little tip there for you guys. Now, other than that, you have top charts here, so you can go into different industries. So if you're selling cars, then this might be useful for you, or if you're selling something the pet niche. But to be honest, we rarely use this. We find much better results with these three. From there, there's some other interesting things you can do with TubeSift. So if you want to actually find new YouTube channels to target, so you can enter in a certain keyword, like let's say keto diet, and TubeSift will find channels that are about that and are very relevant, obviously based on metadata. So this is a great way to build out your placement lists and really make sure you're not missing anything. Now from there, if you're looking to build keyword lists for YouTube keyword targeting, you can go in here and you just enter in a base keyword like keto diet, and you will be able to get a ton of different keywords. And then you can go in and basically what you can do is you can go into keywords and target based on those keywords. So you could usually what we'll do is we'll target 5 at a time based on how closely related they are. So for example, I would do something like keto diet foods, right? So let's look for foods, and I would turn that into, I would get like these 3, and I would get this one, and I would basically put them into their own campaign, which is keto diet foods, right? So I like to keep them tightly grouped, 3 to 4 keywords per campaign, because otherwise if you put in 200, only 3 or 4 are gonna spend anyway. So it's better to just have them separated out in different campaigns so you can test different variations of the keywords, different groups per se. Now guys, if you have created these lists, right, just a reminder, if you've created these keyword lists, they're gonna, essentially you can basically grab these lists by clicking select all and then export them. So that's a great way to do it. Now, another cool, interesting thing you can do is when you do search for these placement lists, you can save them as I showed you before, right? So you search and then you add to list and then it gets saved in here. So you can see that I have keto diet in here. And yeah, because of that, then you can just kind of be able to create these lists of videos that are relevant and then be able to target based on that. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick guide to TubeSift and how to use the TubeSift for creating placement lists and keyword lists for your YouTube ads campaigns. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And the next video I recommend you watching is our ultimate guide to YouTube ads targeting, which goes over all the targeting options. So there'll be a link somewhere on this video to go watch that YouTube ads targeting video. I highly recommend you check it out.